I've seen many people, they are easily affected by someone's comments, someone's words, someone's negative opinion about them. How bad it is, right? We are spending a lot of time with ourselves. I would say that all time with ourselves. Then who can better understand about ourselves? Only few people, they can understand about us little bit, and they can give their opinion, right opinion. Otherwise, majority of people, they can't put themselves in our shoes. That is why, how can they understand us? How can they truly understand our potential or our flaws or our negative or positive things, right? But what happened when we listen about someone's opinion, we end up believing in that one, right? We think that, oh, I think she or he is saying right about me. I think I can't achieve these certain things. I am not meant for that one. We believe in that one. Is it good, my friend? No, it's not good. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some simple technique by using which you can get fluency and you can achieve anything, whatever you want. First thing, what happened, my friend? I've seen many people. They say that you can't become a fluent speaker. You are not speaking well. And we start listening them, and we start acting according to their words. I think really in my entire life, I can't become a fluent speaker or I can't achieve that certain things. No, my friend, we are not how they are viewing us, right? We are something different, I would say. We can understand ourselves or our true potential very good way, very nice way. No one can understand, right? Only few people, as I told you initially. Our family member maybe, even in our family member also, they can't understand easily that who we are or what we can achieve or what we can do, right? So how can others, they can give their opinions about ourselves? Yes, few people, they have that much of understanding, or I would say that life experience. They can talk about ourselves, that by viewing our work, they can say us that this girl can achieve this one, this. So how can other people, they can understand about ourselves? Similarly, if you are an English learner, many people, they talk to you. Some of them, they say that, oh, you are not speaking well. Some of them, they say that you can't speak this language, you can't become a fluent speaker. We should not take their words very seriously. We know that what we are doing, right? So we should believe in our work, in our potential, right? We should know that if I have started learning this language, so I'm the person who is going to do hard work and learn this language, right? No one is going to suffer on behalf of you. No one is going to enjoy on behalf of you, right? So you are in the suffering process, I would say that. You are in learning process. So learning is little bit painful, but think about your fruit. The day you start speaking this language very fluently, right? You will start enjoying wherever you go, whatever you read, or if you are able to talk with native speaker or anyone in English language, then you will have different feeling, right? So what about that feeling? How can you get that one? If you work every day on yourself, if you believe in yourself. So my friend, what I want to share with you, that simple thing is, believe in yourself. Believe you can become a fluent speaker. Believe you can achieve fluency. Believe you can achieve whatever you want. Then nothing can stop you, okay? We, by thinking, create a lot of hurdles, a lot of obstacles on our way, I would say, right? And we let the other people dominates our thought or drain our energy, I would say. If someone says, Anita, you can't become a fluent speaker, then I would give a lot of time and energy thinking about that person. I think that person was right. No, I should not think about that person. Little bit, few minutes I can give, but more than that one I can't, okay? I know what I am doing. And if I'm doing little mistake, definitely I'll agree with anyone. I would say, yes, I am working on that one. Yes, I will become a fluent speaker, but today I am not, I'm working on my pronunciation, but today I am not speaking so well, right? We know about ourselves. But the thing which I told you, don't let anyone's opinion especially negative opinion dominate you. If it is positive, if it is constructive opinion, then please take that one. But coming to negative, please avoid. Otherwise you will drain your energy. You will waste your precious time, my friend. Okay, so start from today onwards saying yourself that I believe I can become a fluent speaker. I believe I can achieve these certain things. No matter where you are from, whether you are from village area, what are the resources you have, it doesn't matter. Matters a lot your thought. What you think you become. Okay, so if you think that you are going to become a fluent speaker or you are already a fluent speaker, we have heard one says our line, fake until you make, right? So start faking. I would say start using fake word that I am already a fluent speaker. I speak this language very fluently. Then my friend, that's how you will shape your reality. That's how you are going to become. Okay, start acting that you are a fluent speaker. Then you will see some changes. I do such things. When I was not a fluent speaker, as a beginner, I used to write that I'm a fluent speaker, to be honest. That is why, as a result, I'm here. In your case also, if you are a beginner or intermediate, start writing or start affirming in your mind that I'm already a fluent speaker and I'm speaking this language very fluently. Then you can. Otherwise, you will keep wasting your time and wasting your energy and all. Okay, my friend, do these kinds of activity. Okay, so don't believe in others' words. Don't let others' opinion, especially negative opinions, dominate your positive opinions and your positive energy and all. Okay, just to believe in yourself that you can become a fluent speaker. But believing is not everything, right? It plays, I would say, that 50 or 70% role. Okay, you're believing. Really, you would be not believing in my words that okay, what she is saying, 80 or 70% role plays our believing. Yes, my friend, if you start believing from today onwards that I'm a fluent speaker, then 70% work is finished. Now you need to do 30% hard work. Which kinds of hard work? If you want to get fluency, start working hard. Start listening, reading, speaking with people, right? But if you think, okay, I'm going to believe that I'm a fluent speaker, but I'm not going to act, how can it be possible, right? So believe in yourself, that is okay, but to work hard also for achieving anything, right? Actions also matters a lot. Only your belief doesn't matter that much, yeah, but it also matters. As I told you, it plays a lot of role, I would say. That is why believe in yourself that you can become a fluent speaker. You won't believe, when I was a beginner, I used to do such stuff. Okay, I used to write in my diary that I'm a fluent speaker, but to be honest, I didn't know how to speak well. Until now, I write whatever I want to achieve, whatever I want to become, I keep writing. Okay, though I am not on that level, but I write that things in my diary or in my notebooks, anywhere. Okay, and that's how we are going to become, because we believe in that one. So believing matters a lot, but only believing is not everything. As I told you, start working accordingly. If you want to achieve something big, you have to work hard also. Let's suppose you want to become a fluent speaker and you are only believing and sitting one place and doing other stuff. Okay, apart from listening and reading and talking with people, you are doing other stuff and you are believing that you'll become a fluent speaker. Nothing is going to work, right? But if you believe, on the other hand, you are working also hard that okay, I'm going to start speaking, I'm going to start reading, writing, everything, whatever this language is needed, I'm going to do everything. Then you will see that you will start becoming a fluent speaker in double speed, I would say. But if you act and don't believe, then there will be slow improvement. If you believe and don't act, there is nothing is going to happen. Okay, so both matters a lot. Believe and act accordingly. I'm speaking this language just based on my belief. I also came across many people, they told me, some of them, they told me you can't achieve fluency because you don't have environment. Some of them, I would say that majority of them told me you can. So I am fortunate enough that I got such people who supported me a lot. Their words supported me. So in your case also, you will come across many people. Some of them, they will try to dominate you with negative energy, with negative opinion, but some of them, they will try to pull you up, okay? That if you want to do something, they will tell you really you are capable enough. There are a lot of people, they will help you also. So how it can happen if you believe in yourself? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज ए बिगिनर, अगर आप एक बिगिनर हैं, तो अगर आप बिलीव कर रहे हैं कि आप एक दिन फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बनेंगे, और लेट सपोज आपके पास इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है, तो आप देख पाएंगे थोड़े दिनों में आपको कहीं से कोई भी मिल जाएगा और बता देगा कि ये ऐप यूज़ करो, यहाँ जाओ, ये चीज़ करो, ताकि आप एक फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बन पाओ। ठीक है, तो जो चीज़ें हम सोचते हैं वैसे होने लगती हैं। ठीक है, तो आपको भी एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, राइट? यू डोंट हैव टू ओनली सिट एंड बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, नो माई फ्रेंड, ओके? एंड अंडरस्टैंड योर ट्रू पोटेंशियल. हाउ कैन वी अंडरस्टैंड? Most of the time we undermine our own self. And why? Because we listen other people, right? Like my neighbors are saying that she can't achieve anything. No, we don't have to believe in their words. If I believe that, okay, I can become this type of person, I can achieve success, so I should not listen anyone. In other things, I should listen my neighbor, my mother, everyone, or anyone. I'm saying this thing. Why? Because no one can understand you better than you, okay? So think about such thing and start taking action, and then you will see great result, you will see great achievement. It will be on your way. But if you think negative, if you think that you can't become a fluent speaker, if you think that I don't have environment, I don't have this one, that one, and keep blaming and keep making lame excuses, nothing right is going to happen. So if you want to do something good, you need to think first of all, and then act accordingly, and you will achieve something unexpected, I would say. Something, extraordinary you are going to achieve in your life. Unbelievable things you are going to achieve. So this is what I wanted to share with you, my friend. If I had thought about others' opinion, to be honest, I wouldn't be here speaking in front of you, okay? So in your case also, most of the time, don't let other one dominate your thought. Especially when it is negative, when it is destructive. When it is constructive, take that one, work on that one. If someone says to me, your pronunciation is not good, it's my responsibility to work on that one, right? But if someone says that you can never ever work on your pronunciation, should I take that word seriously? No. I will not take that word very seriously, because I know I can work on my pronunciation, I can work on my English, I can work on everything, okay? Because I understand my potential. You should also think about yourself, whether you believe in yourself or let the other people, take the opinion about yourself. This is what I wanted to share with you, my friend. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.